Hey babes, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Tiana. Hey girl, hey. Here on this channel we discuss everything makeup, fashion, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if that's something that you are into, baby, then hit the subscribe button. So today's video is a full get ready with me. I don't know if I'm going to do my hair on camera. We will see. But I will be doing makeup, getting dressed, as well as a fragrance. So if this is something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the video. So today's video is a get ready with me Valentine's Day edition. And my husband is taking me out tonight. So I just thought it would be nice to film a get ready with me Valentine's Day edition video for you guys. So I really hope that y'all enjoy. But we gonna get right into it, baby, because I only got an hour to get ready. So let's hope that I can make that time frame because, baby, yeah. So I've already prepped and primed my face. So I'm just gonna go in with my L'Oreal. No, this is not L'Oreal. So I'm just going to go in with my Estee Lauder foundation. This is a very full coverage foundation, y'all. And I just absolutely love it. It's going to give me that flawless look. And I'm looking for something that's full coverage and flawless for tonight. Because, baby, it's giving Valentine. And I just want to look so put together tonight. This is my Nars concealer. It's the Nars Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Walnut. So I'm just going to focus this right underneath my eye, my mustache, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Taking Praline, I'm just going to put this underneath my eye. I'm just going to put this at the beginning of my eye and the end of my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I'm using this lighter shade as a highlight shade. So I'm just going to let this sit for a few minutes and then I'll come back and blend it out. I'm going to take this sponge that I got from Amazon and just blend out everywhere I place concealer. And y'all, I think I let this set a little bit too long because it's a little hard to blend out. But baby, we're going to get it blended. And so I'm just going to blend my upper lip. Y'all already know the drill. And the edges of this concealer under my eye. Y'all, this is a really great concealer. I absolutely love it. It's a bit pricey, but it's worth the money. Now I'm just gonna blend out this under eye highlight. And y'all, it looks beautiful. And I haven't even finished blending it out. Now I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass foundation stick. This is in the shade Espresso. So y'all know this was tragic the last time I tried to do contour with this foundation stick. But hopefully today I can get it right because I feel like it was a little too deep after I finished doing it. So I'm just going to blend out my nose contour first because y'all know that can get real muddy real quick and I'd rather just have this blended out. So if I need to go in and correct it, I can correct it without having everything set. And y'all, I love using this foundation stick as a contour because it just blends out so good. Like you don't have to worry about nothing. So now that I have everything all blended out, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty banana powder and just set my under eye and my entire face. So y'all know I like to start at my nose and bring the powder up. And you only need a little bit. And then just look up when you get to your under eye and kind of swipe. But swipe lightly. Not to the point where you're moving the concealer around. Y'all, I am in a hurry. So I'm going to try to do these brows on camera. Some of my subscribers have been asking me to do brows on camera. So I'm going to attempt to do this. I won't be talking during this. So it'll just be some music playing in the background. So y'all just enjoy the music and watch me do my brows. Okay, babe, so the brows are done, and I don't know how I'm feeling them. I feel like one is bigger than the other one, and I feel like they're too dark. But whatever. Moving on to eyes. So for this Valentine Day look, I want to do like a red look. I don't know, y'all. I haven't played in color, and I don't know when. So we shall see how this will turn out. So starting off, I'm going to go into my Mario Master Mattes palette and I'm just gonna pack some of this brown shade onto my outer lid. And y'all know I like to do both eyes at the same time so I can have some sense of symmetry And I'm just going to blend everything out. Now I'm just taking a darker brown just to kind of smoke it out and deepen it up just a little bit. I don't want to go too dark. So I'm just taking a Morphe tapering brush. This is the Morphe M330 brush. And I'm taking a deeper brown just to kind of deepen up the end and the crease area. I don't want to go too dark, but I do want it to be a little bit more darker. Going in with the Pat McGrath Mothership palette, I'm going to go into that red shade and put that on my lid. Y'all, I absolutely love Pat McGrath palettes. Like, they are so amazing. Whoa, she is pigmented. Like, do y'all see this? Wow. I am in love. So I'm just swiping this on my lid. I'm not sure how I'm feeling the eyes. I'm going to hold off on the eyes and just go in and bronze my face and set the rest of my face. So I am going to be using the Juvia's Place Dark Palette. I'm just going to use that first shade and just bronze the face. Y'all, this is one of my favorite bronzers. Like, she does the face good, okay? So I'm just going to pat this all over my face. Y'all, she's looking real nice and chiseled, just the way that we like. Taking my Givenchy powder, I'm just going to carve out my nose and brighten up my under eye with this. So now I'm taking my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner and I'm just going to add this to my eyelid. And then I'm going to smoke this, well, I'm going to smudge this out. Y'all, I tried to create a little wing with this, but it's not really working. And the glitter from the eyeshadow is getting into my eyes, so I don't know if we're going to have a perfect wing today. Now that the eyes are pretty much done, it's time for me to pop on some lashes. So I'm just going to pop these on. And these are from my brand. They are in the style Girly. And y'all, they are just so girly and pretty. That's why I named them Girly. And y'all, I have a hard time putting on my lashes on camera, so just bear with me. And I like to just press my real lashes into the falsies just so they can look a little bit more natural. And y'all, these are so pretty. Are they not? Like, yeah, they're so pretty. I was struggling. My eyes started watering, but hey, we got the lashes on. Now it's time to apply some blush. So I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place blush. I'm going to go into this orange shade here and just put this at the highest point. Okay, y'all, so we're going to try this again because at first my camera died, got a new battery, and then the memory card was filled. So I had to turn the camera back off. So we're going to try it again. So I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place blush. I'm going to use this orange one at the bottom. And I'm just going to place this at the highest points of my cheek. And y'all, I forgot to use my new blush. I had got some blush by Ariana Grande. Is it Ariana Grande? The Joy Blush? Rare Beauty? Whoever makes a Rare Beauty, baby. Selena Gomez. It's her. It's her. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's Selena Gomez who makes Rare Beauty. So I was supposed to use that liquid blush, but I absolutely forgot. Today was going to be my first time ever using liquid blush, and I believe that's why I had forgotten, because it's just muscle memory to just do my regular routine. But next time, I promise I will use it because I really want to see, you know, what it gives. So the makeup look is turning out so pretty, y'all, because at first she was scaring me because it wasn't looking too good. So now we're going to move on to lips. I got a new lippy. I've had this lipstick for I'm not sure how long. When it first came out, it's the Fenty Beauty. Let me find it. It's the Fenty Beauty in the shade MVP. I bought this when it first came out. I've never used it. So we're going to be trying out today on my channel. So we're just going to be trying it out today. Hopefully it looks really good. All the videos that I've seen on it, it looks amazing. So why not use it today in this Valentine's Day look, baby. So I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place lip liner. This is in the shade Coffee Bean. And I'm just going to outline my lips. Y'all, this is so velvety. Oh my goodness. It is so pigmented and so velvety. Wow, do y'all see this? What? Oh my goodness. Rihanna did her big one with this. Wow. And the applicator, I love the applicator. Y'all, this lipstick is so soft, velvety, and pigmented. Like, it is so beautiful. I am in love. I'm going to wrap up the rest of my face off camera. I'll come back on camera and show you the outfit that we are wearing tonight, as well as the fragrance we are wearing as well. This is the completed look, babes, and it actually turned out so beautiful. I am in love with the eyes, the lip. Baby, the lip. Rihanna knew exactly what she was doing when she made this formula, because it is just so soft, so velvety, so rich, pigmented, and it just makes my teeth look super white, and we love that, okay? So I actually did film the entire outfit, but my camera, the lens wouldn't zoom out far enough for you to be able to see the entire outfit, but I did film those clips. If I go back and look at them and they look fine, you won't even see this portion of the video. But if I look back at them and it looks horrible, well, that's what we have this part for. But just make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I will have pictures there. My Instagram is @TianaShanae, so just head on over there and make sure that you are following me there. The fragrance that I will be wearing tonight is Xerjoff Lyra. If you have not seen my vanilla fragrance video, I'll have it linked here or here. Make sure you just go and check that out, because I have some very, very good vanilla gourmands there. So just check those out. But tonight I will be wearing Xerjoff Lyra. This is how she looks, and baby, she smells amazing. This is like my favorite vanilla gourmand. So that wraps up everything, babes. So if you are not following me on Instagram, please go and do so now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one, babes. Mwah. Bye.